What's good, guys? Nick here, back at you with another video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about fitness apps. Back in January, I did a video about the best fitness apps for 2018, but that was when we're all raring to go to the gym and hit those goals. But 6 months down the track, we may have fallen off the bandwagon. So this video is going to be about the apps that I've kept using from that point, and some of them have changed, and the ones that if you want to get back into it, or if you're still doing it, should have on your phone or tablet or whatever device you take to the gym with you. But before we get into the video, if you're new to this channel, I love doing tech videos or lifestyle videos. So if you're into that sort of stuff, subscribe down below and obviously, hit that thumbs up button. But let's get into the video. All right, so app number one, we'll get it over and done with, is my calorie tracker. Now, I'll be pretty honest, I'm not a huge fan of tracking calories. I'm just not that organized that way to be able to sit down before every meal, work out what's in it, and track it. But the app that I do use is MyFitnessPal. Now, I kind of go on little sprees. Some weeks I'll do it, some weeks I don't. What I really love using this app for is tracking the foods that maybe I eat semi-regularly that I think are good for me, and I'll track the calories in that. And it's really interesting to find out what calories are in foods that I will regularly eat, and maybe I'll cut back on it. Like the other day, I just typed, I sat down and I took the time to put in something that we had for dinner and realized it actually had a hell of a lot more calories in it than I originally thought. So I actually reduced my portion size on that particular meal. And that's what I really use this app for at the moment, is those foods that we think are all right, but aren't. And MyFitnessPal is great. Their catalog of foods that you can scan it's the one app that I've never felt disappointed at. Even if you go and get brand specific things from your local supermarket, I've been able to scan them through no problems whatsoever. And it gives you a good breakdown of your macros if that's something that you're into tracking also. Like I said, I just use it to track odd meals here and there. All right, now there's only two more on this list, and they're both from Nike. The reason I love the next app is because I use it every single time I go to the gym without fail, and it kicks my ass. I mentioned it back at the start of the year, and that is the Nike Plus Fitness app. I absolutely love this app because it has a plethora of workout options in there, workouts that you don't need any equipment for, and they time them, they put breaks in them. And the best part about it is you can keep your music going, sit your phone down, and it will talk you through the workout as you're doing it. So you don't actually have to look at your phone. You can if you want, but it will tell you. And as you're doing the exercise, it will give you feedback on how you should be performing it in terms of better reps over quantity of reps and stuff like that. And I mainly use this for sort of core workouts, but I have actually been integrating it into like arms and legs as well, because the workouts they have on this app are just incredible. And I thought I used to do pretty well when I went to the gym, especially when working core and stuff like that. And then I tried this app out, and the one I do is, I think it's a quick core crunch or something. It's like 10 minutes long. And I do this every time I get to the gym, and every time it just kicks my ass. It's so easy to use. So like if you go to the gym and you're one of those people, you want to do a bit of a warm up, you're not sure what to get into, have this app there. It's going to have plenty of exercises. You can make them long or as short as you need them to be, and you can feel it working straight away, and it is a no-brainer. All right, guys, last on this list is the Nike Run app. And it's simple. I needed a good app that I could just hit start to track runs. I'm not a huge runner, but I have started doing it a little bit more lately in the afternoons and the mornings. And basically, I just wanted to track roughly how many calories I was burning, the distance that I was traveling, so that I could gauge it on a week-to-week basis. And the reason I just love the Nike app is it's got this awesome, simple interface. You can just hit run and it will track it for you. And that's the main reason why I use this one. Now, I know there are other running tracking apps out there that may be more fully featured than this one. But like I said, quick and easy is the way to go about it. When you're talking about fitness and going out and trying to get healthy, sometimes complicating it with options is detrimental to success. And that's why I love the Nike apps themselves, because they're just like one button presses, click and start. That's what you need, because you don't want to get there and have to faff around with your phone and try and get things working and all that sort of stuff. You want to go for a run, you don't want to be sitting there setting it up and all this. You just want to hit a button, fantastic, slap it on the strap or in your pocket and go for your jog, and that's it. Anyway, guys, that's sort of it, just the three. The reason I'm doing this video is because I named quite a few apps at the beginning of the year, and I did use them quite frequently. But obviously, as time goes on, you narrow your list down and you kind of use what works for you. And I've found that these three apps stay on my phone without fail, and I use them pretty much every week, if not every day. Links to all these apps will be down in the description below. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, guys, and you want to see more videos from me, hit that thumbs up button down below. Subscribe for more videos. I think we already did that bit anyway. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.